Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a barbershop website design for you. This is something we've built in calendar booking features. This is a website that we launch in 24 hours, completely customizable image, text, logos, whatever you need, additional pages if you need them. And we can turn these out in 24 hours. So it's extremely fast to get one of these sites. So if you're a barbershop and you need a website, you need online booking capabilities, comes with a business phone number, a ton of really cool stuff, then stick around because you're going to be able to see something that we haven't shown anyone yet. And I think this is really cool. And check it out. All right, so what we're looking at is design number 1 for our barbershop series. We have 3 different designs you can choose from if you are a barbershop who needs a website, and we can get this site out on a domain totally done for you in 24 hours. So the next day after you come on as a client. These are affordable designs. I cannot stress this enough. It is a monthly recurring fee to have this website and all the automations that come with it, which I'm going to get to in a minute. The cost of a haircut or two, right? And you can have this website and all the things that come with it. And your business will then have a website, and you'll have a CRM to manage all of your appointments and book appointments. So it comes with a calendar booking integration already done. It's already built in, which I'll get to in a minute. And it also comes with a few automations, and one of the automations actually turns this website into a lead generating asset, which is huge because obviously that will drive more people into your barbershop, which in turn makes more money. So that's a win for everybody. Now, the design I'm going to walk you through first, and then I'll get into everything that comes with it and all of the 2 main automations that you're going to get that come with every website we have. So the first thing is the color scheme, right? If you can change this. This is totally editable. Whatever color scheme you want, blue, red, yellow, doesn't really matter. Match your logo. That's totally editable. We can change the color scheme to whatever you want. Now, the text, all of this is editable, guys. Like the call to action doesn't have to be book appointment. It can be whatever you want it to be. The headlines, subtext, the logo, obviously, we'll put your logo in the site and change the color scheme to match the logo if you need to. Or if you don't have a logo yet, we'll make one for you. Whatever you need, right? This is a concierge white glove service. We do everything for you. All you do is email our support team what changes you want, and we will get them done for you the same day. All right, so let's walk through the design first. So we have a couple call to actions here. Book appointment, got a couple pages about us, services, contact us. We'll come down the main page. You can have a little about us section here. Put whatever you want here, some graphics, some images of your team or your shop, whatever you want to do here. Call to action to call to book an appointment. Then we have your services that you offer here, and obviously we swap this out for whatever you want. And then we have a call to action, a final call to action, and this is actually a click to call button on mobile. We come down here, reserve your chair today, and people can book directly into your calendar. This integrates with your Google Calendar or whatever calendar you're using. We can sync that up for you, and it will walk them through booking an appointment in your barbershop, which is a really cool feature. Come down here, we have a nice clean footer, logo, phone number. It lists out all of your services, working hours, connects to all your socials, privacy policy, terms of service. So a beautiful, functional website, ready to go, 24 hours, and it comes with a ton of stuff. So obviously, right off the bat, it's mobile friendly, looks great on phones, iPads, desktop computers, comes with basic on-page SEO. You get a business logo if you need one, or we can clean up your existing logo so we'll make sure it looks nice on the site. It comes with a business phone number that we can forward the calls to wherever you want. That's really important because in the back end of this CRM, which I'll get to in a minute, you'll be able to text your contacts whatever you want, right? And that ties into review generation, which I'll get to in a minute as well. So you get a business phone number. So if you don't have one, that's great. If you have one, that's fine. We can just forward this one to wherever you want. You get a full lead management CRM. It's very, very user-friendly, okay? And when you become a client, you get a walkthrough video. I explain what everything is, how it works, why it works. It's very, very user-friendly. And you'll be able to manage all of your contacts. You can call them, text them, email them right from the back-end lead CRM. So it's very powerful. You can manage all of your bookings and your calendar in the back end. So there's a lot of really cool stuff you can do. You get text and email alerts when someone books or calls you from the website. Right, you get those to your phone and obviously your email. We have a automation. We have 2 automations. The first one is called missed call text back. All that really is if someone texts, or I'm sorry, someone calls you and you missed a phone call, we have an automation that runs in the background 24/7 that will reach out to that person, add them as a contact in your backend lead CRM if they're not already a lead, and then our system will text them basically to start a conversation and engage with them, so you have time to call them back, because that could be missed revenue if it's a newer client and they're trying to call and book and you're in the middle of a cut and you can't get to the phone, something like that. So our system does that all automated. You don't have to worry about it. And then once our system texts them and says, hey, you know, how can I help you? It starts the conversation. Just that's when that conversation is housed in your backend lead CRM. It starts the conversation just so you can have time to call them back. We then notify you via text message. We'll send you 2 text messages saying, hey, you missed a call. Call this person back ASAP before the lead gets cold. And that's how that works. The next one is what turns these sites into lead generating assets, and that is Google My Business review generation. So we've got this in a semi-automated fashion where if you don't know what Google My Business is, it's in Google Maps, right, in your local area. When someone searches for a barbershop in Raleigh or whatever, your top 3 Google Maps barbershops will be in there. And how you get in the top 3 spots is review based, right? So it's a heavy review. A lot of 4- and 5-star reviews will get you into one of the top 3 spots, which in turn will start driving people looking for a barbershop in your local area to you. Okay, so that's why it's so important. And how we turn these websites into lead generating assets for our clients is by implementing this automation where once someone's a lead in your backend CRM, and let's say they come in, they get a cut, you're going to come into your CRM after they leave. You're going to press a button. It's going to send them an automated text message, the person whose hair you just did, and it's going to ask them for them to leave a Google review on your GMB with a link in the text message that opens up your Google My Business profile to a 4- and 5-star rating, whichever they want to choose, and automatically posts their review to your Google My Business profile. So the more of those you get, the higher up in maps you're going to go, your listing's going to go until you're in one of the top 3 spots, and then people will start calling you from Google just from doing what you're already doing, right? You're already cutting hair. You might as well just send this text message and ask for a review. If you ask for a review for every single person whose hair you cut, you're going to move up in maps, and this is going to turn into a lead generating asset that's going to drive your revenue and business, which is really important. So we have training on all that stuff and how to set that up. And the last piece of this is unlimited support, right? I said this is a concierge service, white glove, whatever you need. You don't ever have to come in here and change anything. If you want something changed, you email us. Our team will turn around same day and get it done. That's where this is really powerful. If you need to change up your calendar, if you need to change up your headline, if you want to change the color scheme, you want to change the logo, you got a new logo, you want to update it, and then update the whole color scheme of the site, that's great. We work for you. So just email us, and we'll take care of it. All right, guys, if you want this specific design for your barbershop, there is a link in the description below this video. Fill that out, and we can have a conversation about getting this rolled out for you in the next 24 hours.